model like that, and that is another model which I would recommend for you to work, and we will create it. Very simple how to do it. I can show you. I have a lots of we did many classes with that. So you know, so this was my original. I used cardstock and I glue white paper on top and just use paper and I glue it. Okay. For actually, but more interesting effects, you can use just soft paper, like the printer paper, and glue it, because you can create formation and folds on the folding paper and just analyze how the shadows work. So this is probably more usable format. So what we need? We need actually 2 pieces of printer paper.
Yes.
Scissors. We do need scissors now. I understand why we need scissors. Okay. We need scissors and glue.
Now I don't have glue, but I do have tape that I could fold just to make it stick.
Yeah, totally possible.
The double tape.
So 1 piece of paper, we place it like that. And another piece of paper, we fold in half. Fold in half and cut it right here. So we need half of piece of paper, half of your printer paper.
Okay.
And depends what we want to do. Start to fold it like from you, 1,
Okay.
and another piece, another like that. So 2 first folds, like 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 folds will be the same direction. Okay, no, like that. No, it doesn't matter what direction, we will fold them later. So fold. Okay.
Okay.
This approximately the same. So first we will try to create the square folds.
Okay.
Like that. Okay.
Yes, it's done that.
The next one, let's create a little bit on diagonal like that. Like leaving a little bit space here and just fold it this way. And again, leave slightly space here and more space. Fold it this way. So we will try to create the conus, half of cone. Like that, when we will glue, it will be half of cone. Okay.
I've lost it. I've lost it.
Okay. So, so first fold.
Yeah, I've got the square.
And second fold, you just do like triangle, like triangle, and you fold this way.
Can I see your triangle then? You see, I think I've done my triangle the wrong way.
It doesn't matter. It will be another way opening conus.
Okay.
So it's not necessary. Like if you done it this way, so what? It's okay.
It's okay.
For sure. It's not. It's just model. It's for your visual. So that's what how we're going to glue it. It will be like that. Right, like this. And next, let's do some kind of rounding. And right now we need to fold it parallel like this. And another will be another part. So it will be half cylinder.
So and a half cylinder. Should do it.
And now let's figure out what surface we need to glue. We need to glue 1, 2, 3, and 4 surfaces. Okay, so I'm going to place glue stripe right here and try to attach it first.
So I see what I need to try and attach with tape since I didn't bring glue. I should have gone to the store and got the children's glue.
Oh, don't worry, like the tape
That
will
would have been-
work. Tape will work the same.
We can help.
Yeah, mine. You see, mine like building kind of twisted.
Mine will be too.
Yeah, so it's okay. It's okay. It will be twisted. I will have twisted building. And right now, if you would like to have more, like you need to glue it slightly on the angle. Right?
Getting there.
Or you can glue it right here like that. It would be like this.
Just so we can see the cone.
Yeah, the half of the cone. So we can glue it straight, no problem. Like that. Yeah. Mine looks like more like, well, it's okay, it looks like cone. And the last one, we just need to apply it right here and create the half of cylinder. So how are you doing?
With tape, it's not so easy. I mean, I can see yours, so
Mhm.
I've sort of got a cone, but I can't. You know, it's hard to stick it to the tape and still keep the cone.
Yes, yeah.
But I can practice it.
Okay, it is just really for you.
I can see where it should have gone. Yeah, but
Yeah,
say,
it is
can't
very
take-
for me, like personally for me, this exercise very so how whatever you want to set up, how you what you want to see. So like for example, if we set up it like that, okay, let me. So darkest spot will be right here, right?
right there.
Mhm.
Yes.
And will be
And
dark here,
there.
dark here. So that it's very good. My recommendation, if you can try to draw it from the model or if you're not sure about that, for sure you can set up the light and take photo and draw from the photo. But I explain you our acception from the real life subject, how we see it, how we see the flat photo of it, and what we draw, it's 3 different stages, 3 different approaches. So my recommendation, it's always better to draw from life, from subjects which you can see.
Which you can see.
Mhm.
Okay, makes sense.
It's better for your eyes too, because it's somehow you manage to create air better when you draw from the life, not from the already printed 2D image, because this is 3D. You create from real 3D to your flat paper when you 2D paper, right? But you need to manage to create value and more.
So when we do still lifes, we always set up the apple and the grapes and the
yes,
glass and draw from that, right?
it's way better. It works way better.
Yeah.
And when you set up the light, another my experience, for example, this is your still life. In the
Yes.
future, you create beautiful folds right here. You kind of, and you set up. You have a lamp, right? And
Yes.
you set up your light like this, for example.
Yes.
And you draw something, you paint, and next day you kind of you move the lamp for some reason, and next day, if you want to continue, it's not exactly you will. It's very hard for you
get
to
that light in the
recreate
same
the light.
place.
So always mark on the table where the light coming, where the lamp standing, and how, if it's flexible, like if it's flexible, always kind of remember how is it, or don't touch it. Okay.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Better not touch it, really. Yeah, my recommendation, because if you will change the lamp, the light, you see, it's absolutely different.
It's absolutely different. Yes,
Yeah,
you couldn't
absolutely
discontinue.
different. And especially with color will be different. Time of the day different, lights from the window different. It's changed a lot.